Meaning of dwarfism.
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 Dwarfism. Dwarfism is a medical condition that results in a person being significantly shorter than the average height for their age and gender. This condition can be caused by a variety of factors, including genetic mutations and growth hormone deficiency. As a result, dwarfism can be associated with various physical challenges, such as limited mobility and reduced life expectancy. However, many individuals with dwarfism are able to lead happy and fulfilling lives and are not defined solely by their height. It's important to treat individuals with dwarfism with the respect and dignity they deserve.